In the face of climate crisis and biodiversity loss, we ask ourselves, how can education institution lead the way in restoring our relationship with nature? PASIC, Biosphere Courtyard, is a living lab at PLANETIIUM that empowers communities through agroecology, livestock integration, and environmental education. Our model integrates crop livestock systems, agroforestry, and circular practices that increase biodiversity, improve soil health, and reduce carbon footprint, all while benefiting local communities. We train future leaders, engage youth, and empower underprivileged communities to grow with nature, not against it. At PASIC, at PLANETIIUM, we believe a nature-positive future starts with mindful action today. Together, let's grow sustainability from the roots.